Yeah, perhaps the following. I think that in the Netherlands at the moment, the main issue is still, especially when we see that well, more and more flights are again being performed. Capacity is a main issue, and recently, I think about a year ago, one of the higher Dutch courts, administrative courts, decided that all of the Dutch airports need a specific license, an environmental license that none of the airports had in place. And it's a bit tricky because the license takes into account the depositions of nitrogen created by departing and landing of aircraft. And rumor has it that there are serious concerns at the government that these licenses can only be provided if the number of flights currently departing and landing at Schiphol Airport will be reduced. So that creates an interesting situation, I would say, in the Netherlands. First of all, will the capacity be reduced at Schiphol Airport? In particular, because all of the slots at Schiphol Airport are, how do we say it? Owned by the airport, owned by the airlines. On a historic basis, all slots are historic. So what will happen with the position of the airlines that hold historic slots? If the total number of slots will be reduced. So far, there's no decision yet on the licensing of the airports, but we expect that there might be consequences for the airlines as well if indeed the total number of flights would have to be reduced.